Hey guys, how's it going? Dan Petrikin here. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick video on how to set up WordPress on Amazon. So you start by creating or signing into your account, and you'll be presented with the dashboard. Now what you want to pick is EC2, and then go to your running instances. You'll probably have 0 on your first. Go ahead and click Launch Instance. And there's this thing called the AWS Marketplace, where all sorts of machines are available, some for free, some paid. So what we want to search for is bitnami WordPress. We can see here there's $0 additional to on top of Amazon to use this image. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And then you'll be given a big screen. I would recommend just taking a medium server if you're not sure. It's by default. The defaults here on this page are fine. You're probably going to want around a 40 gigabyte hard drive for WordPress just to make sure you have enough space on the machine. Go ahead and name your image. For this purpose, I'm just going to call it WordPress Demo. And basically this will tell you, hey, we're only going to allow SSH and both web ports by default, which is perfect. You can go ahead and pass this. Now here you want to create a key pair or select one that you already have if you have created a key pair. And just go ahead and click through. This will launch your instance. It will take a few minutes for this instance to turn on, so be patient. You'll get a success that, hey, we launched. We go to View Instances, and here we can see our demo machine is spinning up. So in the meantime, while you're waiting for this to spin up, what you want to do is create an elastic IP, and this will guarantee your IP address on that machine. It costs $1 a month. They're really cheap. So you just go ahead and add a new IP address. You'll get a success. Then you want to select the IP address you just created. Go into Actions and Assign. And you want to assign it to your instance. You can just search by name. So I'm going to search for WordPress here. Pick my instance. And go ahead and associate that by clicking Associate. And that'll mean that that IP address is now allocated on my machine. So I'll go back to Instances and select my machine. And you can see in the bottom right here, the public IP is now my elastic IP address. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Just to show you, this is now done spinning up. This is what you should see for your WordPress machine at this IP address. And you'll get the nice hello world, and you're ready to start installing your themes, etc. Now, IP addresses aren't that useful. Usually we would want web domains. So you can use any DNS provider. I use Amazon's Route 53. And we can go ahead and just, assign a name instead of having to memorize some numbers. So I already have my hosted zone set up here. This is just like any DNS. If you work with GoDaddy, they all work pretty much the same. And I'm going to call this one WordPressDemo.pydojo.com. And I'm going to want to paste my IP address in here as the value. And that'll make WordPress.pydojo.com point at this address. Hit OK. And then just to show you that this works pretty quickly, I'm going to just go to WordPressDemo.pydojo.com, and we should see the exact same machine. And there we go. In just a few minutes and a little bit of waiting, you can set up your own WordPress box.